Hey y'all, I'm going to be working on my Volcanic Strength Junk Journal Kit project. And, I went ahead and made a journaling card here and slipped into this pocket. And then I also took the last playing card that I had from this set and it explains these cards. So I wanted to add it in just as an extra piece into the journal. So I put it into this pocket. And now I want to start adding a little more decoration in places. I went through all my scraps and I like the look of this paper on this black card that I put down. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this onto the edges. See, I don't like that piece as much. Don't know why. Just to add some a little something. I'm still using my Black Soot Distress Oxide ink by Ranger to cover up white edges on things. Like this piece. Over here. Just going to darken that little bit. Let me see. Let me add some ink to this and see if I like it better. I tore it just to go slightly around the edge of that corner. I think I might tear it just a little bit further down. Sorry, off camera, I'm sure. Get this glued on, and my light did not show up today, so boo Walmart. Walmart.com, where I ordered it from, said it would be here Friday. It is not. Might be a little bit of karma from getting some orders out late this week. Not sure. But I know I'm irritated still. I need to check on it. I like her just like this for now. I want to add something along this edge. And I have some other words from the kit that I want to use. Let me see. I have two different, I printed them in two different sizes. I want to use these somewhere. Might go good here with her. Kind of like this with her. Do like this with her. Decide if I want it. No, I want it down here. So I'm going to use that here. I like that with her. Let's see. It's too bright. to this flower here. Kind of like that with this flower. Let's see, cut this flower out. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is just barely put some glue on this bottom edge. Line it up where I want it to be in conjunction with this flower. I think. Okay. Now I'm just going to cut some extra places out to make it look like this was the original flower design. Oh, that's better. Okay. It looks like I'm using a lot of glue, but I'm not. I'm using the tip of my glue bottle to help spread the glue out. Okay, there's that. I like that. I'll make that one just plain, although I wish I had inked around it before I put it there. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here because it's getting a little long. And then I'll be back with another video later on. Thanks for watching, y'all.